then incoming DIG. Thank you.
I know what I'm taking over is a very serious responsibility, and I recognize that. But again, I'm very confident, especially looking at my team. Up to the lowest, the constable. I'm very sure we are going to deliver. This is a time for me to take over, and I don't intend to make a lengthy speech. A lot of successes have been mentioned by the outgoing DIG. A lot of challenges have been mentioned also. And therefore, I take cognizance of all those facts. But as I said, I'm energized and strengthened by your presence, sir. I know upwards up to HE, I'm strengthened. And down up to the constable, I'm going to ensure that we are a very strong team. I want to give assurance to the Uganda police, to all my colleagues, that we are going to work together and consciously work on our mindset change. We need to change our mindset towards the provision of security, which is a very key ingredient in as far as the development of this country is concerned. And therefore, I'm confident that through our activities, we are going to support the socio-economic transformation of this country by seriously contributing to the security, safety, and all that is enshrined in our Constitution, more especially Chapter 211 and 212, which brings us into being. And I'm very confident about this because I'm going to have a very serious team. I already have it, actually. This will mainly be achieved through training. We are going to emphasize on training. We are going to emphasize on mentoring to ensure that the lowest person knows why he or she is in the Uganda Police Force and what are his contributions or her contributions. I'm very sure and confident we shall achieve that.